right away.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for Central Walker County, North Central Tuscaloosa County, Southeastern Fayette County, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southwest of Bowley Springs, or 17 miles southeast of Fayette, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Jasper, Summit, Cordova, Dora, Berry, Parish, Oakman, Sitsi, Gorgas Steam Plant, Smith Dam, Gorgas, Bowley Springs, Rocky Hollow, Burnwell, Beloit, Linz Park, Smith Lake, Woodson, Empire in West Corona. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Fayette, Tuscaloosa, and Walker.